12th classes. This is Nishan GV. Today I am going to explain procedure of opening an account. Let's get into the first slide. When a person comes to a branch to open an account, the procedure begins. First thing is an application where they cover all the KYC. KYC means know your customer, which includes taking address proof, signature proof, photo identity proof, other verification and PAN card. The person has to give photographs and specimen signatures.
Here, the specimen signature is a very important aspect because whenever the person has to withdraw the money with the help of either withdrawal slip or via check payment, the signature should always match. So the person, while giving specimen signature, should sign in such a way that he regularly signs. That is very important point that one need to remember while opening a bank account.
Then the bank will do customer verification by third-party investigation.
The customer verification by third-party investigation is also known as antecedent check of the client. Now, this is one of the most important steps because otherwise the bank account may be misused for certain criminal offences like the terrorism, etc. So, banks should conduct all these activities. That is from the first part.
Then comes the face-to-face interaction. The bank has to explain all the rules and regulations of bank. They should also collect a letter of introduction which is given by one of their customers. The last part is financial aspects. Keeping minimum balance is very important here. Bank will issue passbook, ATM card facility, check facility and net banking. Bank will also take nominee details.
In a nutshell, we can sum up this entire session by Nishan into three different phases. In the first phase, the person comes to the bank where he collects the application from bank and then the bank takes all the information from customer in the name of Know Your Customer or KYC. Here, banks takes the document related to address proof, signature proof, photo identity proof, which are basically the passport copy or the election ID or the driving license, whatever it may be. And it also completes the Aadhaar verification, which is a recent step, and it also takes PAN card copy. Then it collects few photographs from the customer and also the specimen signature, which is very necessary whenever there is a withdrawal via withdrawal slip or via check withdrawals. Then bank also organizes customer verification, which is known as antecedent check, which is one of the most important aspects to know that the customer is genuine. In the second phase, there is a face-to-face interaction between the customer and the bank where bank explains him the rules and regulations of the bank, and it also asks for a letter of introduction from one of its existing customer to know that the customer is genuine. The last thing which is very important are the financial aspects where the specimen signature remains one of the very important document. Then the customer will be asked to keep minimum balance according to the facility that is being extended to the customer. Then bank will also issue the passbook, it will also issue the ATM card and then the check facility based on the request by the customer and net banking again based on the request of the customer. It will also collect the nominee details to ensure that if the customer is dead anytime, the money which are available in the bank will be given to the nominee. These are the information need to be given while a simple SB account is opened. However, additional legal information or other information or other documents need to be given in case if they are opening a current account under the Indian Companies Act or the Indian Partnership Act, the Indian Trust Act or the Negotiable Instrument Act or any other act. In that case, according to that act, whatever is necessary, and according to bank rules, whatever is necessary, the same needs to be completed. That is one another aspect we need to remember.
With that, I'm concluding this session. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment our videos. Thank you.